So this is how you do the string with nettle. You take 2 pieces of fiber from the bark and you fold them in half, and then you start by rolling one side and passing it on, rolling the other side like that, the 2 strings like that, pass on as such. You roll and pass it over, and while you hold it here, you roll forward the strings and pass it under it. Roll forward, pass under, and in this movement, am I doing the right way?
Yeah, well, you roll away from you.
Yeah, roll away from you and pass under, and this creates the strings that remains. And yep, and that's how you go forward. And then when you run out of strings over here, you just add other fibers and you roll them in and you carry on the length that you need to. That's it, I think.